Just another thing we offer is our vinyl table cover. And what we've done is set out the objectives and rules on the table. And we have all these different pockets inside to store the guns, and they're designed to have the chargers ran through. In this case, we have battery operated guns today. We also have USB-C ones. And if we use the different USB-C chargers, they're able to be routed underneath the table to give it a nice clean and sleek look. But we usually set this up in the middle of our arena. Once everyone comes in, they're already split into teams with the mask hanging walls. That makes it very easy and simple for anyone to run. And then once they come here, it's just getting them the guns and everything we need. And the way that we have it set up, it's just a replace and charge system. So as soon as one dies, it's charged, it's replaced with another fresh battery, and it's just an endless cycle. So that's just another thing we offer as part of the Mega Maze Shooting Arena package.